Everywhere you look, programming is quietly running the world around you. When you withdraw money from an ATM, when traffic lights change at a busy intersection, when you order food online, it's all powered by programming. But what exactly is programming? Let's make it super simple. At its core, programming is just giving instructions to a computer so it can do something useful. That's it. Nothing mysterious, nothing magical. It's step-by-step problem solving, written in a way the computer can understand. Think of programming like cooking. A recipe is a program. It has clear instructions. First chop the vegetables, then heat the pan, then cook for 10 minutes. The ingredients are your data. And the final dish, that's your program's output. Or take traffic lights. A program is running in the background, deciding when the light should turn green, when it should turn red, and how long each one should last. Without that program, chaos would take over the streets. Even a vending machine uses programming. You put in money, make a selection, and the machine follows a series of steps: check the amount, release the product, and give change. All of that happens because of instructions written by a programmer. Here's the thing: computers are extremely fast and powerful, but they can't think on their own. Without instructions, they just sit there doing nothing. Programming is how we tell them exactly what to do, in the right order, step by step. But there's one problem: computers don't understand human language. They only understand binary, ones and zeros. Imagine trying to write an entire recipe using nothing but zeros and ones. Not fun, right? That's why we use programming languages, like Python, Java, or C. These are tools that let us write instructions in a way humans can understand, and then translate them into the ones and zeros that computers understand. Think of them like mediator between people and machines. So, to sum it up, programming is simply telling a computer what to do. It's just step-by-step instructions, like a recipe, like a set of rules for traffic lights, or like the logic inside a vending machine. It's not as scary as it sounds, it's just organized problem solving. Now that you know what programming is, the next question is, how does a computer actually understand those instructions? In the next lesson, we'll explore how code is translated into something a machine can run, and we'll talk about compilers, interpreters, and machine code, all explained in simple terms. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments or reach out on social media. I'd love to hear from you. Also, check out the blog for this lesson's post where everything is written down for easy reference. See you in the next video.